Okay, everyone, so we've got two images here. I'm just going to load this one on here. Okay, here's my layer here. So that's my layer. I just double click on that and let's call that layout 1. And then use the type tool here. We've got the type tool. And then I'm just going to type in New York City. Currently it's pretty small here. So I'm going to use go to Windows and then go to Character. And here is my character, and it's 150 points. I'm just going to make that 500. And there is the type. I'm going to change that to 700. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So here I've got, that's a little bit too big. So we might just go down to 600. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm going to put it where the sun is. And then press control, hold down the control button, and then click on this T here, this layer, this type layer T, and then you can see the dotted line, it's selected. It outlines and selects everything else. Now you turn this one off, okay, and then go down here to this layer here and then press mask. Okay, when you press mask, it does that. So what it does is it masks just where the letter is on that. So now we can move this up. Oops, move that anywhere. And then now I'm going to go and get my other image. And that's the other image there. And it asks to resize. I'm just going to resize it. Press Shift, hold down Shift, and then resize each corner just to fill in the whole screen like that. And double click. And now we have our image there. So this image there, so you see this layer here, that's on top of that layer, the mask layer that we just done. So just hold your mouse button and select this layer and drag it down like that, and there's New York City layer. So now I have that. You can select this one here, and now we can play around with the effects. So we go to, say for example, up here, you can go to dark, multiple. I like screen here. Screen's nice, but it doesn't work on that, so because it's too light, so I might just move this down here, and you can see it's really kind of starting to show up. But I might just go with, I think it's divide. So here it is, divide. So I've got my New York City, and you can see it changes because that's what we call the blended mode. So this is blend, when you're using this here, this is blended mode on that. So you can see, I just want to move that to the middle there, and now people can see it's pretty much a nice design for it. Okay, so have fun with that.